G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Let me share a couple of quick tips if you're looking to sell on Amazon about the quality of the product. So first step is you need to do sample testing. What is sample testing, you might be asking? It is simply connecting the supplier before signing the contract, before actually getting into bed with that supplier, so to speak. You need to be doing the sample testing. So they'll be sending one or two of the items over to you to kind of like pre-check to see what the quality is like, to see whether or not it's up to par, up to scratch, and whether or not your customers will be happy. The last thing you guys want is to have a whole bunch of customers being really angry at you, right? Really hating your product and giving you bad reviews, because that stuff can really stifle your growth. So do sample testing. So when the product does arrive from the supplier in China, you basically do a stretch test. You do a stretch test, you bend test, you drop it from a certain height, you give it to a toddler and see if they could break it and slobber over it. Does that break it? So that's kind of like, that's what we call sample testing, to test it. Once it's all good, you give it the thumbs up, you connect with the supplier and you say, hey guys, let's bring in a lot of these, right? So that's just one key of sample testing. Now, what I find with a lot of successful Amazon sellers is the product that they're selling is actually well made. It's a really good quality product, and that's the reason why they're getting a whole bunch of really cool reviews, and that's why they're growing so fast and getting a massive amount of sales, right? So make sure that the product you do bring in is a quality product, right? Now, you can also achieve success through what we call private labeling, and this is something that I talk about a lot. Private labeling does have a lot of pros to it. It has only a few cons, but actually it has a lot of pros, but you've got to do something different. You can't just go in and private label yoga mats, all right? You've got to have a tweak, you've got to have a variable or variance, you've got to do something different to make it sound or make it stand out from all the other people. So guys, that's today's tip. Enjoy it. My name's Alex Ryan. If you know somebody who's looking to start an Amazon business, maybe import from China, maybe find hot products, let me know. Comment, share this post, yeah, I'm on track to be helping a lot of people this year get started with their Amazon businesses, so get them up and running. So please do share this post. Please do comment below. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, guys, to your Amazon success. See you later.